shadows where the ancient masters dwell. A secret art, a story they tell. Not of dragons nor tiger's claw, but of smaller beasts defying every law. A desert dancer, quick, full of might, inspired a style born of day and night. Oh, the scorpion sting, kung fu precise and keen, a strike like lightning rarely ever seen. From the tail's quick flick to the venom's burning fire, every move a lesson, taking you higher. Agile, fluid, yet a power deep inside. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. The stance is low, body taut and coiled, like a scorpion waiting its true strength unsoiled. Fingers like the pincers, ready for the grasp. A sudden movement, a breathtaking gasp. The thrusting palm, a venomous attack, leaving adversaries reeling on their back. It's a healing poison. So poise, so poise. Oh, the scorpion sting, kung fu precise and keen, striking like lightning rarely ever seen. From the tail's quick flick to the venom's burning fire, every move a lesson, taking you higher. Agile, fluid, yet a power deep inside. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Secrets it keeps, wisdom it cries. It's not about the size or brute force display, but the hidden power that holds its sway. Focus and precision, a single potent blow. The true master knows how the energy will flow. Disarming, debilitating with the silent deadly art, striking at the weakness, breaking every heart. It's the art of scorpion, a style not for every man or woman, but those chosen few. Will the scorpion choose you? Oh, the scorpion sting, kung fu precise and keen, a strike like lightning rarely ever seen. From the tail's quick flick to the venom's burning fire, every move a lesson, taking you higher. Agile, fluid, yet a power deep inside. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. So if you see a shadow move with graceful might, a flicker in the darkness bathed in fading light, beware the sting, the art of old and new, the deadly dance of scorpion sting, kung fu.